Hey guys, it's Tarek with Cyclone FPV, and it's almost 1 o'clock in the morning right now, and I've been working on finishing our newest quad here, which is the Banshee U130V1. This flies up to a 2.5-inch prop. It features it's our frame, obviously, a frame I designed, made with G10 FR4 material. It is extremely lightweight, weighs at about 41 grams empty, and loaded right now with flight controller, VTX, camera, and pretty much everything else that you see here, motors and so forth. It is weighing in is exactly 100 grams, not 99 and not 101. I mean, this thing sucker just right in at 100. Using 25 millimeter standoff, so it's got some room in there if you want to add a DVR. Right now, what I've got on here is the HDLRC Zeus with the VTX 2.0, and I'm using the HDLRC Elf Cam and as well the HDLRC 1106 6000 kV motors. Prop-wise, these are the Emax 2.3 inch. I love them, they're great. And what you see here is a rubber band. I actually made this feature on here for the purpose of being able to do a quick change on batteries, so I added these little tabs at the top. As you can see, there's some tabs here, and it'll actually wrap around the battery and latch on. So anyways, I mean, the video is not about the quad, but it is the quad that we're going to be testing in regards to the Immersion RC, the RapidFire module, which is sitting here on my HDOs. And there is a module, and I'm using everything from Immersion RC. So here's the deal. I took this quad out today for a test flight, right? And I was hoping to be able to show it to everybody because I was really impressed with how it flew. But I'm going to flip the screen around now. I'm going to show you what I experienced. So if any of you are having the same issue, at least this is what I found as a workaround for now, and it seems to solve it. But if you look at the screen right here, what you're going to notice is I've got the 4 videos put up, and I'll explain why they're like this. So this is a test run I did now, and this is actually, let me pull the video of the flight itself. So here is the flight video that I will bring to the screen right here. All right, so this is the video I shot earlier today. And let me turn the volume down because it's going to sound crappy, but you're going to see this flicker, right? And what you're going to notice very quickly is as I take off here and I start flying, this screen is going to start jumping between color and black and white. And I mean, it's absolutely obnoxious here. And there it goes. So, I mean, this is what... Now, I did not notice this while I was flying, and I don't know, I have to go back and check now. I'll fly it again and test it, but I didn't notice this flickering going on. I'm sure if I had, I would have probably landed. So it seemed clear, but when it was recording to DVR, this is the kind of crap that I got on my screen, and it really pissed me off because I wanted to post this video, but I couldn't. So what I decided to do is start figuring out, I've heard about all this compatibility issue, and I thought it was supposed to be resolved. So let me pause that real quick. And so there's this issue about compatibility, what cameras you can use, and some cameras that aren't up to full NTSC standards or whatever it may be. So anyways, I decided to do the following. I made these 4 clips here. Now I'm going to get rid of this one because you don't need to see this right now. So I sat at the bench here earlier, and I decided to start recording on the same camera. And this is what I got, okay? It's about a 30-second clip here or so. And I'm just sitting there, and everything looks fine. Then all of a sudden, there you go. You start seeing this black and white, and it'll start flickering. And this is what I was experiencing when I watched my video. And there you can see it clear as day there. It's going back and forth in the flickering. So this is actually set for a mode on the camera, or sorry, on the module, right? So if you have the module and you plug this in, now I didn't own this when the first firmwares came out. I do have it now though, but when you press your button, right, and you go to your tools, you're going to have the option, actually you're going to go to RF mode, sorry. And you're going to have the option under RF mode, and it's going to be like, I think it's a little blurry, but it's going to be like immersion, or sorry, rapid fire. It'll say rapid fire, I guess number 1, which is the first one, rapid fire number 2, which is the second one, and then you have legacy, okay? So what you're seeing on these videos is this thing set in rapid fire number 1. And so this video right here that you were watching earlier, this is rapid fire number 1, and it's flickering, and that's the exact same mode I had it in when I was recording this flight, all right? So what I did was I decided, okay, I noticed that with the firmware update, there is now a rapid fire number 2. So I decided to go ahead and try the same thing here. So I'm going to go ahead and click the bottom one now. Let me get this out of the way. And this is the same module, same camera, same VTX, same goggles, same everything, but now done in rapid fire number 2. And I will tell you that I've already watched this. There's 21 seconds of it, and I did not see the same flicker between color and black and white. So it looks like there was a compatibility issue with the rapid fire number 1 setting mode but I do not see it with RapidFire number 2 at all. So then what I decided to do was, now that that's solved, I said, okay, well, we're going to go try what Legacy is. Now, Legacy apparently puts this thing back into standard mode, like a true D setting, so it doesn't get the combining of the signals like the RapidFire does in RapidFire mode. So this is what this video is. Now, this video is standard Legacy mode, all right, which is apparently supposed to be much more compatible with specific cameras. So let me see if I can get this. And I'm hoping that we've got, I don't know why this stuff is frozen here, but this was the actual video in Legacy mode. I don't know why it's not playing now, but I'm trying to see if I can get it to play here. Okay, I can. It's just something wrong with the picture, so let me see if I can swap this out. Okay, so there it is in, let me close this other one out. So this is Legacy mode right here. All right, so you've got video 16 is RapidFire 1, video 17 is RapidFire number 2, and then what you're going to see here is video 18 is Legacy mode. So these two modes right here, I did not experience that black and white flicker. All right, and so just to make sure that I got it right, I went ahead and went back to RapidFire 1 mode, and I decided to try it again just to see if maybe there was something different. Maybe it had to warm up. I don't know. I mean, I'm reaching here, but I thought I'd give it a shot. And so there you go. My flickers are back again. And so what I don't know, and this is probably more me having to look at it, is there is an issue there with RapidFire mode 1 and RapidFire mode 2. Now it did seem to work on RapidFire mode 2. I'll take it out for flight tomorrow. It's 1 in the morning, so I can't see anything right now. And I'm not giving you much more of an informative video than I was about to throw this stuff out. I mean, you know, I just became an immersion RC dealer not too long ago, back in July, and I had been waiting quite a while for these to come in. And yeah, from what I'm understanding, prior to the firmware update that came out recently, people who had this without the firmware and only had RapidFire mode 1 or Legacy had to switch to Legacy, at which point you lose the purpose of having RapidFire. You might as well just get yourself a true D. So apparently it's been fixed, or there have been some updates with RapidFire mode 2. I'm still a little concerned about it, but I did want to know because I wanted to know if we had compatibility issues with the hardware that we sold you. So far, it doesn't seem to be now, as long as you change the mode. I don't know if they're going to continue to do updates on that, but I am letting you know if you are seeing the same problem that I saw, try changing the mode to RapidFire mode 2. If you haven't done your firmware update, you need to do that so you can see RapidFire mode 2. And then try your Legacy mode. Legacy mode would basically make this a waste of money because in Legacy mode, it's no better than anything else. So the idea is to keep it in RapidFire mode. So try mode 2 then, see if that works. So far, it seems to be working for me as on a bench test, and we're going to give it a shot and see if it works tomorrow when I take it live. Hope that helps, guys. I'm not trying to waste all your time. I just want to give you, I had a headache with this today, and I was real frustrated. And I figured now that I figured out what I can do to work around it, maybe it'll help you guys as well. And I'll see you soon. Okay, talk to you later. Bye.